Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to grow a pineapple plant from a pineapple fruit. Pineapple are very easy to grow. They require very little care and attention. They can grow with very less amount of water. This video will provide you all tips and tricks to grow pineapple plant from a market bought fruit. Watch this video to get complete information, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel also. Take a fresh pineapple. Make sure to choose one that's evenly ripe and nice healthy set of green leaves at the top like this. So let's start. Twist the leaves of the top of the pineapple. Gently twist the leaves crown like this. Strip off some of the lower leaves to expose the stem. Strip until a few inches of the stem are exposed. Now set the pineapple crown aside for 2 days to callus and allow the wound to dry. They are susceptible to rot, so it is important to dry out the cut part before planting. After 2 days, the wound is dry. Now take a glass and fill it with little water. Immerse only the bottom part of the stalk in the water. Like this. The stem should be submerged in the water and the leaves should stick out the top like this. Place the glass in upright location but not in direct sunlight. It will need to remain in the jar for at least 3 weeks while the roots emerge. Little by little, it's important that you change the water after every 2 days. After 3 weeks, it will look like this. Roots are few inches long. At this stage, plant the crown in the soil. Take a pot with drainage hole at the bottom. Cover the hole with a small stone for better drainage. Fill it with soil. Remove all air pockets by pressing the soil. Make a hole at the center. Gently place the stalk into the hole and fill the soil around it. Make sure that the base of any remaining leaves are just above the soil level. Press the soil firmly around the base of the crown without getting any soil on the leaves. Water in thoroughly. After 8 to 10 months, your plant will produce fruits. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. Thanks for watching this video.